Metal 3D printing, producing 20 sets of eggplant-shaped stainless steel parts. Can you believe it? These sheet metal parts, shaped like eggplants, were only needed in a batch of 20. With our metal 3D printing technology, the process was fast and efficient. Once we received the 3D CAED files, printing began immediately. Laser beams precisely traced the complex shapes, layer by layer. In just 2 days, all parts were complete. The entire process is highly automated, capable of producing intricate and delicate structures, unlocking greater design freedom, and with mechanical properties that can even outperform cast parts.